Hey everyone, if you're trying to export your resume from resume.com but it's not working, like PDF download fails, export button gets stuck, or the file doesn't generate, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix resume.com export issues in 2026. First, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch in the system. Next, check your internet connection. Exporting a resume needs a stable connection to generate and download the file properly. Disable your pop-up blocker. Resume.com may open the exported file in a new tab, and blockers can stop it from appearing. Clear your browser cache. I mean, Old stored data can block export functions or prevent files from generating correctly. Try using another browser like Chrome or Edge. Sometimes the issue is related to browser compatibility. Disable extensions like ad blockers. These can interfere with scripts needed for exporting your resume. Also, try a different export format if available. Switching formats can sometimes fix the problem instantly. So, yeah, those are the best ways to fix resume.com export issues. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to export your resume without any problems. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy fixes.